Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to talk about First Tech Fed. This is a digital credit union that gives out high limit personal credit cards. If you want to get more information about this credit union, how you can actually get into the credit union, how you can apply for their high limit credit cards, what is the application process, what credit bureaus they check, and more. Stay tuned and watch the entire video. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Also, this video is for informational purposes only, educational purposes only. Everything that I say in this video is from information that I have gathered at the time of recording this video. Sometimes lenders, banks, and credit issuers will change their data points, they'll change their approval process, their application process, and more 6 months from now, 12 months from now. So take the information that I tell you in this video as what it is at the time of recording this video. At the time of uploading this video, it is August 18th, 2022. Also, if you want more free information about credit, how you can repair your own credit, how you can build credit, how you can build business credit, and more, we have a free Facebook group. Make sure that you join that Facebook group. You can ask questions about credit. Also, we will be launching in that group a brand new DIY credit repair software that you're going to be able to use for free. You'll just have to pay for your credit repair or your credit monitoring services to keep track of your deletions and to keep track of your score. But the software itself will be. All right, so really quickly, First Tech Fed is available physically in California, Colorado, Georgia, Idaho, Massachusetts, Oregon, Texas, and Washington. It's only available in Houston, in Texas. It's available in several cities in Washington, Oregon, one city in Massachusetts, one city in Idaho, and then one city in Georgia. So, but anyone around the United States can apply for their credit cards. They do digital banking. So you'll just have to apply for one of their nonprofit organizations. You'll join one of their nonprofit organizations after you are approved for your credit card. If you decide to go ahead and apply for one of their credit cards, or even if you just want to become a member, you can do that here by clicking on become a member. And if you scroll down, this is what you need to become a member. You will have to have all of your information regarding your home address, your driver's license, and all of that. And you will need to join one of their nonprofit organizations if you do not live in one of the states that I just mentioned. So this is the nonprofit organizations right here. One is the Computer History Museum, and the other one is the Financial Fitness Association. So you'll have to join one of those if you don't live in one of the states or cities that I mentioned previously. So when it comes to their credit cards, if you click on borrow, you'll be able to see under their credit cards, they have quite a few different options available. We'll show you which one that actually goes up to 100,000. But if you scroll down here, they do also offer secured cards. So if you are in the process of building up your credit, you can start with this secured card and then graduate up to one of the other cards like the Platinum or the Choice Rewards World MasterCard or the Odyssey Rewards World Elite. This one is a very, very good card. So the interest rates are pretty low. They may be a little bit higher at the time of recording this video due to inflation than what they usually would be, but they still are pretty low compared to traditional banks. So the regular Platinum MasterCard just comes with no annual fee and you get low rates. Now they have one with rewards that you'll be able to also get no annual fee, but you'll also be able to get rewards on every dollar that you spend. So you can keep more money in your pocket and you can redeem those points on travel merchandise, as well as charitable donations. And then your Choice Rewards card, this one you can actually get double the points. You also get no annual fee and low interest rates. Also, I forgot to mention at the time of recording this video, some of these cards actually have 0 APR for 12 months. So if you click on the MasterCard, the Platinum MasterCard, right here it says an introductory 0% APR balance transfer for 12 billing cycles. So that is awesome. And then also, if you have a little bit more of challenge credit, your APR may be a little bit higher, but it will not exceed 18%. So a lot of other, bad credit cards will give you a very high interest rate, like 29%, 26%. But if you go to a credit union like First Tech, you'll still be able to save on interest. Now, this right here is the one that goes up to $100,000 in a credit limit. Really, really crazy for a credit union, a personal credit card. The APR start off at 8.49%. You get to earn premium rewards on travel and dining. You get to take advantage of their world-class MasterCard global concierge services. You also get a great card if you typically make monthly purchases of $3,000 or more and pay it off pretty much in your billing cycle. So you have to spend at least $3,000 and pay it off within 30 days. Also, the annual fee for the first year is 0, then it'll be $75 thereafter. So if we click on learn more, you'll see here that the limit goes up to $100,000. And also, you can get up to 5% cash back on eligible purchases. You'll also get unlimited 2 free days shipping and free returns on over 140 online stores. 2 times the reward points. So this is a really, really good credit card. Now for this credit card, they will pull Experian. They'll pull your Experian credit reports, and during the application process, they'll actually ask you to connect your bank account via the platform to verify your income. So make sure that you are putting the correct income on your application, because they will go ahead and verify that through your bank account. And if you own a business, you should go ahead and connect your personal bank accounts to the application and not your business bank account to the application. So keep that in mind. So those are some of the data points for this particular card. There is no minimum credit score that I know of. I would recommend that you have at least a 700 credit score to get this particular card. Now they do have other cards. Like I said, they have entry level cards. Like this one is the entry level. This is the secured card. If you have challenge credit and you're trying to build your credit, you'll start off with this one, or you can possibly start off with this MasterCard. Either way, these are some great credit card offers. If you are trying to build your credit, they do offer good options as far as rewards, no fees, and all of that. And you can also get balance transfers with 0% APR for the first 12 months, which is also really, really good. So definitely check First Tech Fed out. Links will be in the description for you to go ahead and apply for one of these cards. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you join our Facebook group, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I upload new videos.